In this video, we would learn how to perform shifting in the simplex table. So, in this example, we are given a pivot. It's already circled. So, it might not be the way that you usually get in that simplex problems, but it's already said that, okay, this is the pivot, and you have to just perform around, shifting around this circle number 2. Right? So, this one here, this one, around this. So shifting means that you have to make zeros in this column. So you have to make this 4 as 0 and this negative 2 as 0. So to do this, so the operations we are performing is, so multiply the first row by negative 2 and adding into row 2. So this would be our new row 2. And then to make zeros in this one here, the third row, so simply add row 1 into it. So row 1 plus row 3, so this would be new row 3. You have to just perform these two operations. So you have to write this next table. So we write these variables on the top. So x1, x2, x3, s1, s2, z, and then we have this vertical line, this horizontal line, and pivotal row as it is we have to write. So that is 0, 2, 1, 1, 4, 0, and 6. So now first operation, so negative 2 times row 1. So that would be multiply each element by negative 2. So that would negative 2 times 0 is 0. Then negative 2 times this 2 is negative 4. And negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. So this is our new, after multiplying row 1 with negative 2, so this is what we are getting. Negative 2, negative 8, then 0, and negative 12. Negative 12. Okay. Similarly, then we have row 2. Row 2 is 1, 4, 0, 1, 2, 0, and 10. And adding this, so this would be our new row 2. That is 1, 0, negative 2, negative 1, negative 0, and negative 2. Just replace in here, second row. So 1, 0, negative 2, negative 1, negative 6, and negative 2. And then for the third row, simply adding row 1 with the row 3, and this would be new row 3. So I can simply do it directly. So this 0 added to this 0, so this is 0. Similarly, this 2 added to this negative 2, that is 0. Then 1 added to this 0 is 1. Then this 1 added to this 1 is 2. Then 4 added to this 1 is 5. This 0 added to 1 is 1. And 6 added to 0 is. And that's what we were asked to. We have to read it. So from here, x1, if you see under the first column, under x1, this first column here, so you see that you have only one non-zero number. This is in the second row. So then value of this x1 would be, so in this row, the last number, this is this negative 2 divided by this number here, right? This one here. So x1 would be equal to negative 2 divided by 1 is equal to negative 2. Similarly, for x2, so this is in the second column, and in the second column here, so only one non-zero number, this is in the first row here, and then again the same way, so value of x2 would be this last number here, this one, that is 6, and divided by this number 2. So 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. And then in x3, as you see that in this column, x3, so you have more than one non-zero number, so it means that x3's value would be 0. In the next column, under s1, so more than one non-zero number, the value of s1 would also be 0. And then again, the next one here, under s2, more than one non-zero number, so s2 would be 0. And then in the list under z, so you have this one non-zero number here. So it means that z would have value. So that is this in the last or third row. So this last number in the third row is 6. 6 divided by 1. So it would be 6 divided by 1, which is equal to 6.